Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. I've been having problems with Google command line. Let's take a look at some of the stuff. Actually, maybe it's in here. Yeah, all of these Google command line didn't work, and I used pip to install this. Let me see if I can find it. Pip Python install. Let's history grep pip. That should do it. Yeah, right there. Sudo pip python installed. This didn't work, so what I will do is use the full command line, which is right here. Let's try that. Control C. Pays to read the forums. Good grief. Spent hours just chasing down these little problems. So let's go and try it again. Control Shift V. I'm going to put pip python because pip, just pure pip, won't work. Install, and away it goes. Okay. Permission denied. Right. So do what I did last time, which is sudo. And it wants the password. Right here, permission denied. Permission denied. Okay, cleaning up. Successfully installed googlecl. I've seen that before. So let's try one more time. Let's see, Google version, does that work? 911. Okay. And right here, let's try that. Put in my username for the 5th time, maybe more. And it's going to fire up a browser. Okay, I need to go to my browser. Oh, that's new. Okay, we have to pause because I need to check what that is. Thank you for watching. Oh wait, no, that's fine. I don't need that right now. What I need is this. Cancel. I'm going to grant access. Can't pause, so I have to go and grab this, and I'll edit it out in a later video. Right, so we go back here, verification. Oopsie. No, Control Shift V. Permission denied. Alright, same thing. Darn it. Thanks for watching, and happy computing.